Oh, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I shall share this screen now. So we are supposed to do what? So we are supposed to do the DOS external commands. Where is that operating systems here? Systems here. चीनी कम है, चीनी कम। Okay. So we were supposed to do the external commands, and we don't have much of the external commands. So we'll just see, say probably there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the external commands. Okay. So we'll just see the 6 external commands, and then we shall proceed. Okay. So the first external command we'll just see today is the format command. Okay, okay. A format command. So as you all know, this format command is used to format the disk. You have any drive, you need to format, that is like whatever you have in the particular drive, that drive you need to reset the drive. Just a moment. Hello. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಂಜುರೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ರಾ? Yeah, sorry. There was a call. Important call. Okay. So this will basically it will just format when you just say it's a formatting like whatever you had like stored everything, the data completely it will be erased and it will just go on to the basics and like it will just clean up everything. Okay, so this command is used format. This command is used to format the disk and it also creates and it also creates tracks and sectors on the disk. So this is what we are supposed to write. So people need to log in time. Okay, please. That only will just take maximum time. It will just kill the time format. Next, we'll just see the syntax is syntax is C colon also yeah. Okay. You just have to write format and the which drive you are supposed to format. That drive name you are supposed to specify the drive name. That is, if I need to format, so D drive. So I just write D colon D colon. Okay. After the format, so the next command is disk copy. As you all know, disk copy means it is just going to copy the disk. As the name indicates, this is used to copy all files with its directory structure. When you just talk about the directory structures, means everything it is going to copy. You file systems, you are not getting to the depth, so maybe like directory structures and all for your level, we'll not talk about it. Copy disk to this is see those days you had something called as a floppy disk. It was a very square shaped thin sheet kind of thing. So before these pen drives came into existence, we were using that for the copying purpose. Then later on, you just got the CDs and all. Just before the CDs and all, it was just the floppy disk. So whenever you need to copy the entire the contents of one floppy to the another floppy, this is the command we were using. We do another. And this particular command, this is restricted only to the floppy disk. So this command will not work for any other this thing. So these days we are not using this. Floppies and all are the outdated. Okay, so this command is not in use these days. So we just write disk copy. So whenever you copy, obviously you require the two drives. Say one drive completely or the other one. Next, the example. See, colon, this one, and then you have this copy, then you have the drive, then you have the F drive. So from one particular drive, it is going to copy to the another. See, now what is this? What are you telling about this copy? See, for example, these drives, what we are telling, this format drive and all, So some slots will be left to for the, say for example, for the these days you use the pen drive. See, whenever you insert the pen drive, for that pen drive, a particular drive is being dedicated for that particular pen drive. So one or two drives has been dedicated. So whatever we are doing, it is only for those particular drives. So in a system, usually C drive, we just tell you're not supposed to touch the C drive, because in case you just go on to the formatting of the C drive, you just touch anything in the C drive, your entire this thing will collapse because it will have the program files and all, operating system, everything, the program files is there. So that is the reason we'll just always tell you people not to touch the C drive. Anything you want to do, say delete, copy or anything, what you can do, you can just choose any D drive or E drive, E or F drive, whichever is there in your this thing, and there you just can do all the copying, deleting, all these things you can do, which will indirectly not affect your system. But in case you do anything with your C drive, and if at all if you delete a particular the program file, that time again you will have to reinstall your OS. So that would be a difficult task. So we generally say, we'll just say avoid using anything. You just do avoid using the D drives, sorry, C drive. Okay. Check disk. So this command is used to check the space, storage space. This it stands for check disk. Okay. It is used to check the storage space. So here it is C syntax C colon chk dsk check this id check this. You're just going to check the drive. So example C colon, you are going to check the storage space, like how much space it is used and how much free space the particular drive has got. All these things you can check. Next is the attrib. See, this command is one of the most important command, which is say you have your pen drive. Sometimes what happens, the data will be there in your pen drive. Due to the virus, what happens is like some files will be hidden. To just remove the hidden files and all, you just make use of this attrib. So this command, this command is used. This command gives the status of the file. So syntax C colon chk dsk, no, sorry, attrib, sorry, attrib. See, this particular command, you need not, I'll just tell you, you will just say this plus h will make the what do you say, the drive, this will make the drive here, like the drive hidden. To it will make the hidden. The to remove this. Okay. So people are not able to hear. See, if you just can't hear me, you have to tell me. Then you can just stop me there. I'm so sorry. I just saw it very late. Okay. So the format command. Someone is asking for the format command. The format command is used to format a particular drive. Say, for example, you just take the pen drive. You have some contents in this. So when you just click on this and you just give in your what you say that in your DOS prompt, if you just give the format command, everything, whatever the content of the pen drive was there, the pen drive will completely, it will erase its contents and it will just become a new pen drive. So you're just formatting, that is, you're cleaning everything. It will just clear all the data which is present there. That is called as the formatting. Initially, how it was, it will just take you there. Got it? Ma'am, screen is not shared. Ma'am, class over. Why class over? Class is not over. We just started the class. Your screen share. I'll share the screen. I don't know, share screen. Somehow the issues. Okay. So is the format command clear? If you're clear with the format command, I'll continue with the class. Is the format command clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next is this syntax of the attrib command. This thing, what I can do is like I can show you exactly by inserting the pen drive and running the command. So what you have to do is like some drive. So here you're just going to give the path and the drive. So attrib, I just say you have so many options here. That is I will show you only two here, not more, because it should not confuse you. So the main basic one I just show you. See, R stands for you're making the file readable, and for the hidden, you are just going to make the file hidden. You will use the command +h to make the to remove the hidden. You will use -h. Okay, -h, and then you have within this you have to write the path, that is like where is it, the path you have to mention, and file name you have to mention. So the example will be C:, so attrib -r/s/d, say f start. So this F is the drive, and as of now, don't worry about this thing. Just you just see this one. That is in that is fine. Once your offline classes starts, I will just explain you or like show you exactly how this works. So then you will able to understand. Still, am I not audible?
Audible, ma'am.
No, Basanappa, can you hear me?
Audible, ma'am.
Now it's audible. Okay, fine. So I just got a message telling that I'm not audible. That's the reason. Okay. The next command is the undelete command. Undelete is like whenever you just delete something and you just want to redo it, like you don't want to delete it, whatever you have deleted, you just want to undo it. At that time you just make use of this command. This command is used to undelete a file or directory. That is, whichever is deleted, you don't want, you have to cancel the delete, like you are getting back at the same particular file, so that you just call it as the undelete. So syntax is C colon delete. I have what you call as the file name. Example, it is C colon, so undelete a.c. Say you have deleted this file, you have just deleted the file a.c. Again, you just want the file back. By mistake, you have deleted and you want the file back, and that particular time you can make use of the command undelete. And the last command in this external command is the del tray. This command is to delete, is used to delete the directory, directory along with its contents. Just say there is a content, there is a folder or a directory. Within that you have more folders and the files, and whenever you need to delete a particular drive along with its content, at that particular time you will be using what you call as del3. So syntax C colon, so this thing, so you have del3 dir name and said example C colon del3 some UAS, some directory name, folder name. You're just giving the folder name UAS. So these are your external commands, DOS external commands. Okay. So this was all about your DOS internal and the external commands. You have any doubts in this? In case you have any doubts, I'll just give you some time. Just you can via chat box, you can just text me your doubts, or else we'll just proceed on. We'll proceed on to Windows. Windows, what I'll do is like on Windows, you just have the features of Windows operating system, and you can just take this up as an assignment. Better take it this up assignment. Assignment is like, see, whatever the assignments I just give, it is a part of your syllabus, and this assignment, please write it in your book itself, since you're all you are just taking the scanning and like taking a picture and mailing me. So what you do is like write it in your text, like notes itself, so that at the end of the this thing, end of the semester, when you're for the prepare, it will be very easy for you to prepare for the examinations. Okay, so what you can do is like take down Windows, features of Windows and the versions of Windows, or just a kind of a short notes on Windows. This will be your assignment. Just a few lines. Say in case they ask you for some 5 marks, what would be your answer? I just want that. Okay, features of Windows. Windows operating system. You need to write. So here you don't have any commands or anything. You just have to explain what is a Windows operating system and what is the features of the Windows operating system. Say like it is an operating system with graphical user interface, that is the GUI. So all these things you'll have to explain. Like you can just say it is user friendly and how simpler it is possible for you. Make it that simpler and then you just do it. Got it? Any doubts? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yes, ma'am, audible, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Akshita. Yeah, you can just use. You can use. Try. Okay. Banu has got no doubts. Thank you. Okay. So I'll just proceed. So assignments, since this is a very small this thing, please submit your assignment by Saturday. Okay. Saturday by evening, you just submit the assignment. Okay. So I'll go on to the next topic. That is
in notes copy you said to write, ma'am. In notes copy only.
Yeah, write it in a notes copy only. That would be better, like because everything will be in at one place only. In case you already done in the sheets, yes, you can write it in the sheets, but see that you just keep all the sheets together and you file it, so that these are all part of the syllabus. Whatever you can just see with your go back with your syllabus copy and just cross check. These are all the is there in your syllabus. So coming back to your syllabus, so we are just completed. I'm just starting with this thing and just tell you where how much all we have just completed. See, we have seen the definition of the computers, history of computers, generations is done, types of computers is done, classification is done, characteristics of computer is done, the applications. I had given the assignment, so that is also been done. And characteristics, yeah, it's done. A block diagram is done. Memory concepts we've already discussed. In the operating system, we have seen the definition of the operating system, functions of the operating system, and the types of the operating system. There are 3 types of the operating system. We have already explained the 2 types, that is the DOS and the Unix. Within that, we have also seen the commands. You just have the Windows command, which I have given you as an assignment. Just you need to just write a para about the features of the Windows operating systems. So we just left with the computer networks, which I'll start up now. I'll just start up now with the computer networks. And the C programming, I think, where are we in the C programming? I think in the iteration construct, right? Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where are we in this C programming? I think in the looping statements I was there. In the looping statement, I have done while and do while. So am I supposed to do for loop or is it done? Please go back to your notes and just see, check.
Structure of C program.
Huh? Ma'am, what?
Structure of C program.
Huh? Sorry?
Structure of C program.
Hey, structure of C programming is done long back, man.
Yes, ma'am, done, ma'am.
Simple if statement, if else statement and all we did. I also did while loop, for loop, right? Huh?
I think no.
Hey, just a moment. Banu?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
Yeah. Now tell me, yelling Nilsidhan on a topic now. Because the last I believe Siddesh was absent. So never idri class I remember you. You tell me why loop ಮಾಡಿದೀನಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು why loop do while ಮಾಡಿದೀನಲ್ವಾ?
Ma'am, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, I'll text you.
Okay.
While loop and do while is done, right? We are supposed to do only for loop should be done or it is already completed. just want to know this. ಲೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ?
ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ದಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
No, Aishwarya, you are just telling flowcharts. Flowcharts I have done actually. Flowcharts agide, structure of C programming agide. In the basic programming construct, I have sequence construct alla helidinalve. Sequence, selection construct. I remember I have done it.
No ma'am.
Okay, fine. We'll just see later. Okay, so I'll do that, and then you have MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. This, last, you have this something called as ICT smartphone apps, bioinformatics, GIS, and MIS. Because this is not my background, none background alla idu say CBI, biology, biology related ide. We just try giving this class to your yav sari idaralla yaar tagoltarappa adu bioinformatics. Who will take biotechnology, biochemistry? ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ?
Benharla also.
Yes. Okay.
Benharla sir,
ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸರ್ the B sections other sir will handle. So we'll just give those classes to that sir. Okay. And whatever the notes I have, like I have collected it from the other teachers, I just give you. Maybe I will do that. Fine. First now networks ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Networks ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ only will be left out with the C. We'll do the networks now. I thought I had already done. ನೀವು ನಂಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಭಾನು. Any other girl name? She was absent. COVID ಇಂದ absent ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. Wait, I'll just check the participants, so I'll just remember their names. Hey Gopal, तू होगा ना मेरे क्लास? Gopal.
Yes, ma'am.
How much portions is done in C?
Ma'am, in offline classes or
offline. C language.
okay, ma'am. I check it.
Yeah, do check it. Deepti TL, please check. Even you are present for the classes. Keen. Yeah, please check. Yeah. Indranila Reddy also was present, but this guy, I don't think so. He would have made some note. He was like, Indranila Reddy, cheptara?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please do that. Girl.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Flowchart algorithm.
Till structure of C program you have done.
I have not done this thing. I remember I have done, man. For whom I have done then?
No, ma'am, you have not done.
Sequence construct, selection construct.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then you haven't explained while and do while also.
See, your simple if else statement, if else if. If else statement.
No, ma'am.
If else if.
We did that in the programs which you given.
No. I'm
If
talking
else
about in
statement.
the theory, in the class theory. Deepti TL.
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Yeah, I am in the this thing that it is done. Yeah. Who is it possible? ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ? I have done. PG ಹುಡುಗರ್ಗ. Okay. Fine. If it is not done after this networks, I will do it. After structure, not done, ma'am. After structure of C programming, structure C programming is done. Okay. You started fundamental. You started. Okay. Fine, Banu. Thank you all. This girl's name, I'm just forgetting the girl's name. Aditi jate yaar next batch ali yaro idralla hudgi. This girl was COVID. Who? Anika was not present. She was into COVID. Hey, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಅವರು?
Sahadev ma'am.
ಸಹದೇವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪಚ್ಚಿ ಹುಡುಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರು.
Sahadev ma'am.
ಸಹದೇವ. ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ? ಸಹದೇವು ಇದೀರೇನ್ರಿ?
ಇದೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತನಕ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ? Okay, fine, not an issue. Maybe I have done it in a different class, and maybe I have that thing that I have done it to you people only. No, that's fine, not an issue. I will do it. But there are offline classes. Here it will be difficult for me. Okay, fine. Thank you. So what you do is like this CR and you everybody listen. You already have shared the syllabus, right? Syllabus copy with you people, right? This copy and whatever I had done, I had just told you. I'll just repeat again. Computer fundamentals complete. It is done. Introduction of the computers, types of computers, classification of computers, applications, characteristics, block diagram of the computer, memory concepts. Everything is done. Your operating system is completely done. Your networks have to start, and in the C programming, as you told, till the structure of C programming, it is done, right? So it is your duty to cross check and just tell me in case any other topic is left over in between, so that I will be taking up those classes in the upcoming days. I will be taking those classes. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if else is done, ma'am, ternary operator.
Simple if ternary operator, the operators all ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Simple if else if ಮಾಡಿದೀನಾ?
Ma'am, ternary operator is a shortcut for if else ಅಲ್ಲ ma'am.
ಹೌದು.
Then that is done, I think, ma'am. That is condition check, true block, false block.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಾ?
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ದಟ್ ಟರ್ನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್. So this is a different thing. I'll just repeat.
After ternary operator, you have gone to special operator.
Yes. Ternary operator. Yeah, correct. So after special operator, so at the end of the class, it is the structure of a C programming which I have done and I have left, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So I was supposed to start with the basic programming construct. Correct? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'll just do it.
Another question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and another question, ma'am. Ma'am, can we use del tree command in place?
Del tree command
in place of RD command, remove the directory command.
I actually
Instead of that,
answered this question. Yeah, you use. But this is an external command. Remember that.
Then how can we? Then what's the difference between this and that, ma'am?
What?
RD and
RD command. Listen here. RD command, you can use the RD command, but whenever you are using the RD command, the folder should be empty. The drive should be empty. Only then you can use the RD command. Whenever you have the contents, your RD command will not work. It says the folder is not empty. Whereas here, though the contents of the folder is there, you can just delete it. This is the major difference between delete and the RD command.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct.
Thank
When you
you.
use the remove directory, you can't use that command when the you have some files within the directory. Only when the directory is empty, you can delete. Correct? No.
Yeah, ma'am.
But here it is not like that. Though the directory you have the contents, it can be deleted. It can be removed. This is the major
Okay.
difference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything
Yeah,
else?
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. We have very few minutes to start off with networks. I thought I'll start with the networks. C programming, how many this thing you have? How many programs you have done? Till where I have given you the C programming? Banu. Ten programs is done. Sorry, the 10 programs according to the list kotirala. Okay, the programs which I have already shared with you, you please what you do is that you just write the program name and you just send it to me. Because the rest of the programs, I will just write the programs and I just send it to you. Got it? Okay, how many of you have got laptops? Ma'am, while explaining disk copy today, you were telling about C drive saving. Ilvala, who is this Ankita? No, Ankita, while explaining this thing, I don't think so. I have told about C drive saving. No, what I told you is like anything you do, this disk copy is only to a limited to only the floppy disk, not with nothing to do with your C drive. The floppy disk is outdated now. So this command you will not be using anymore now. Disk copy. That is, it was completely to copy this thing, floppy drive. The contents is copied to the another floppy drive. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Okay. Only Keen has got the laptops. What about the rest? Because when I give you these programs, will you be able to execute the programs? Execute ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ programs na? I too have and I can do it. So it is not like one or two just telling. I just okay. Those who have the laptops, please raise your hands. Raise your hands. You have an option, right? There you can raise your hands. Good. A nice number. 15. Okay. You have Turbo C installed. If don't have, install the Turbo C. Yeah. And you just practice the programs. Yeah, 22. Okay, good. A good number. Good number. Hello. Hello. Class I can just see the numbers. So Marjana, people had raised their hands. Now the number has been reduced. So now I can see just 21 members telling that you people have the laptop. Those who have the laptop, like 23 members, use the thing. Turbo C is available. You just download. It is free. It is down. You just can download it and start executing the programs. Okay. And for those who don't have, you can also do it in the this thing. What do you say that? Play Store in your mobile, you can just download the app. You can just see there are various apps available. You can just use it, and some of the app which even I had tried, that it will just get stuck in between. So better in case your friends have already executed, you just take. Hello, class in case I think Keen has already executed, so you can just ask him if that is fine. You can just ask your friends and start executing the programs. Okay, so we shall wind up the class. In the next class we'll just see the operating system. In the meantime, in case you have any doubts also, kindly text me or contact me for any doubts. Okay, so the list of the programs I have with the other list I'll just send you. Got it? Please and stay safe. Don't go out. Be serious. Wear mask in case you have any discomfort. Okay, please go test yourself. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Be careful with your health. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Notes PDF I'll just send, because the Windows anyways it's ready. I'll just need to have to format a bit, and I'll just once again I'll scroll in case there is any spelling mistakes or anything. After that I'll share the notes. Okay, maybe I have one or two email IDs. I'll share it to them, and they will in turn share it with you people. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.